Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. Our last go through a Quartzsite this season. April 2021 already. Goodness gravy. Let's take a run through town. I got the buggy out. Actually, last day for the buggy. It's going to go in storage for the summer. Like first thing in the morning. This is good old Main Street. We're heading west. And in about 2 weeks, we're hitting the road. Yay! For the summer! Yay! Got some travel plans coming up. Got a few videos coming up real quick too. I filmed coming down here. 2 videos around Parker, and then tomorrow I'm heading east. Gonna go up to Alamo Lake. You're gonna see that too in Salome area. So quite a few videos coming up this week on RVerTV. But we have to make our final loop around here. This is almost a ritual, isn't it? Look at this camel in front of this place. That thing looks like it's lost. Dollar store. Heavy traffic in Quartzsite. 3 cars and a tanker truck. Town's thinning out. I seen quite a few RVs when I was driving in here, heading north. They're getting the heck out of Dodge, because guess what? The heat is amping up. It went from being perfect to hot. We'll do a drive-by of the bank thermometer a little bit, see what it is. But you can see all the stores, parking lots are getting emptier. Now those grocery stores, they stay open year-round. Okay, we're approaching Central and Main Street. To the left up here would take you down to Yuma. To the right all the way up to Parker, Lake Havasu. That is actually Highway 95. Fuel's really jumping up. These little stations in town, they're always higher. There's the post office, no one's there. That's a true sign that town's thinning out, when the post office calms down. Here's High Alley. A couple vendors still trying, but it's pretty much over. That's the High Alley showgrounds, flea market, whatever you want to call it. That's the oldest one left standing. We're crossing over Tyson Wash here. Then over here on the left, there's good old Holiday Palms. They're thinning out. Now they're open year round, I believe. They even got like little tennis courts or whatever they are. A little pool there now. Boy, you sure get the traffic noise off the interstate though. It screams. 24 hours a day. There's 88 Shades. That park's been there forever. A lot of people love it. And here's this B10 Campground. I think that thing's up for sale. Someone wants to buy it. Everything for sale in Quartzsite. Guy's always got them old cars there. There's a sign that says museum. I've never stopped. One of these days, all the years I've been coming here, I never stopped. Then Stagecoach, that's a motel there. Then of course there's Yellow Tank. K&B, he's gonna keep going in the building there till May. I just talked to Kenny. They're gonna keep right on marching. So you can still get supplies there if you're around, or heading up from Yuma, whatever. And this street off to the right would take you up to the High Jolly Cemetery and the tomb of High Ollie. Okay, here is downtown Quartzsite. All these little shops, a lot of them will stay open quite a long time. That jewelry guy's got the big belt buckle there. Rock shops. Then right here, there's the Chamber of Commerce. They're open a couple days a week. Yuck-Donald's, there it is. And up here on the right, this is the big news of the town right now. Just past this metal building, they are excavating the ground. That's going to be a huge gas station. Terribles is putting that in. Terribles is a regional brand here. So there will be trucks and cars. Quartzsite's a truck stop town. Then there's more fast food if you want it. And here's the world famous Exit 17. We've made it world famous. Congested. There it is. But you can even see the interstate slowing up. Just getting that time of year when the heat hits, people get the heck out of here. Including me. Alright, well let's go down. We'll go down and check out Tyson Wells, I guess. There's Love's Truck Stop. And this is Kewen Avenue, Kewen Street, whatever they call it. Here we go. There's a good look. There's downtown. You can see the parking lot's empty. There's good old Yuck-Donald's. Quartzsite hasn't changed in a long time. You know, Main Street used to be just a 2-lane street for years. There's Desert Gardens all empty. Q Mountain right there. Way back there's Desert Gardens RV Park. Then all the trails will go up through the mountains. Desert's a pretty place. But Desert Gardens, they're closed down. I don't see many left. It's a neat place to walk around if you ever want to see the real deal. The huge chunks of rocks. They ship them in from all over the world. Buyers come in from all over the world to shop there. Coming up on Tyson Wash. Now there's a little street right here that'd take you back to the community of Q Mountain. On the left, those are the people that created Q Mountain. They're been in Quartzsite forever. They developed that area years ago, long time ago. Tyson Wash, there has been no rain all winter. Very little. Actually, there's no spring bloom this year that I can find so far. It's just been too dry. No snow, cactus, flowers yet. Tyson Wells Game Store. It's officially closed, but Kim's around. If you want games, Just call the number on the door and he'll meet you. So you can still get games. Well, you can see vendors tearing down there. Let's go check out that bank thermometer. We can see they're tearing down, loading up. It's over, but they pulled it off. Looks like the flag guy's still going there, but it's empty. K&B's gone. All the metal buildings are closed up. Another couple weeks, this lot will be totally empty. Can you imagine the tens of thousands of people that attended this year? The old big tent, just a big mark in the dirt. Way out, you can see the desert's kind of empty yet. Still see a few white dots, but that'll be over. Emptying out. Alright, back on Central. Let's go check out that bank thermometer. It's right around 10 o'clock in the morning here, and it's already hot. You can feel it heating up. Good old desert. There's Main Street. We just cruised down through there. Quartzsite ain't that big. It's really not. It's one big square. Then off to the right up here, you'll see that rock dealer's been there forever selling rocks. A lot of people stop there and shop. There's big drums full of it. And this RV parked there thinning out. These guys, I believe, close for the season. Usually by mid-April. A lot of them will shut down, but some are open. Just call the chamber if you ever want. Okay, here's the thermometer. 83 degrees at 10 in the morning. There you go. It's supposed to be up to high 90s today. You can feel it too. You can really feel it amping up. Well, back on Central here. There's Miners Depot. They're still open. Not long. Those guys head up to Alaska. They're going to be mining in Alaska soon. But you can definitely check them out online. minersdepot.com. Check them out. You can buy from them year round. Alright, well, what do you say? Time to hit the road. Talk soon.